the ultimate Clarity Act event for you today so you can win. We're covering it all live. We've got everything. We talk directly with the banks, with Ripple. We've got Sensei waiting for us on the line. He's calling in. He's having his own show as well, covering everything, cheat sheets from the newsletter, the charts, the technicals, everything you need today for the Clarity Act, live all day. So are you ready? Tap the like button. We're about to go into it. It's going to be a massive day today. So stop right where you are before you scroll past this. This is a live event. What you're about to hear could be one of the most important conversations in the history of crypto. Today, right now, the United States Congress is preparing to vote on a bill that could rewrite the rules of digital finance forever. And if you own XRP, Bitcoin, or Ethereum, or if you've ever thought about it, you cannot afford to miss this live event. I'll only be with you for about 20 minutes, half an hour, and then we go to Sensei for the live trading during the live vote itself. So I'm going to give you 10 facts, the things that you need to know about the history of crypto, where we're going, where we've been, and what is likely to happen statistically, mathematically, and based upon the evidence that I have gained by talking to real people. 10 facts. Number 10, and by the time you get to number 10, you will understand what most investors don't even know to ask yet. They don't understand even what to ask. So let's get straight into it. This is going to be a big day today. You're going to love this one. The bill on the table today is called the Crypto Clarity Act, officially the Digital Asset Market Structure Bill. But let's be real. The Clarity Act is the perfect name. It truly is, because clarity is exactly what this industry has been screaming for years. And here's what I want you to understand before we even get to fact number one. Clarity doesn't just mean legal jargon. Clarity means money moving. Clarity means institutions enter. Clarity means the rules of the game change. This is everything. And it changes permanently, forever. So stay with me, 10 facts that will blow your mind, and then we get ready, and then we have the live vote, the charts, the trading, everything that you need. Every single fact today in this 20-minute event builds on the last. Don't skip ahead, because fact number 10 is the one that ties it all together, and it might surprise you. So are you ready? This is going to be a huge event. You've now got to do some work. I want you now to tap the like button, share it out to your friends. This is the ultimate Clarity Act guide. I've spent 4 years making friends with the banks, with Ripple, with everybody that moves this stuff, Robinhood, and today we put all that information together and we're going to share it with you live. So, are you ready? If you're watching this later on, you can skip through this next part, but right now, everybody here, you've got a few minutes to tap the like button, click share, put it on your social media. Everybody does it right now. I will repost your post and get you to trend on X and Instagram. Also, while you're doing it, you might want to follow me on X and Instagram. All the posts will be there. We're sharing all the facts today, all over our social media. I've gone viral on Instagram. You might want to go and check it out. And here is the newsletter today with the cheat sheet, giving you 40% off the cheat sheet for the event today. With Sensei, there it is. I've dropped it twice in the chat. You might want to get that. It's our best ever discount. And if you also want Discord, that's pinned to the top. One-on-one support. I'll be there live trading with you, giving you all of my trades that I will not share on the screen as we don't get front loaded. Are you ready? Okay, it's time for the event. It's now time for you to tap the like, share, and get ready for the big event. I'm so excited. We're going to make so much money today as long as you're on the right side of the trade. Here we go. It comes up right after this. Here we go. The Clarity Act is here, the day everyone has waited for. And you can see my portfolio, I'm smashing the market again. Very, very important. Be on the right side of this. We have spent nearly 5 years now talking to the people that make the markets, the CEOs. We've got 2 CEOs live on the show next week. The banks, Ripple, Robinhood, everybody I've been talking to. I've been beating the market 3 years in a row. Hedge funds, Warren Buffett, the S&P. It's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. Don't be on the wrong side of it. And that's why we're going live today, to bring you everything that you need to make sure by the end of the day, you are up and you are a winner. So we've spent a lot of time putting this together for you. I have Sensei going live in just half an hour, bringing you the live vote, the facts, the numbers, the trading, the charts, the technicals, everything that you need. I'm going to give you the fundamentals, the history, and what I have learned by speaking with the people that actually move the market, not the retail investor, the money, the power, the control. Okay. We spent 5 years nearly now and a month away. It'll be 5 years bringing you this information. So let me just get into it. So I want everyone now to share this out. If you can, tap the like button. That would be fantastic. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, that would also be amazing. Right now, I'm going viral on Instagram. Some posts on there have gone like really parabolic. If you'd like to see all my little news bulletins throughout the day, every 15 minutes I have bulletins coming out on Instagram, and there's my X as well if you want to follow me there. And here is our cheat sheet. In half an hour, Sensei is going to present to you the cheat sheet of how you can win today on the Clarity Act. There it is, and we're giving you our 40% discount. All right. If you want to follow me directly in Discord, it's pinned to the top. I give all one-on-one trades, one-on-one support. I show everybody everything. One-on-one support, no AI, no bots. Right. Let's get straight into fact number 1. It's going to be a huge day. Are you ready? Fact number 1. What the Clarity Act actually does. Let's get ready for an explosive day on the market. What the Clarity Act does. Fact number 1. This is all my own research, all done by talking to the right people, not nonsense you read on X. There's no sponsorship here. I take no sponsorship from anyone and never will. This is completely straight facts, honest as it happens. The Clarity Act is a crypto market structure bill. Its mission is to draw a clean line between which digital assets are regulated by the SEC, that's the Securities and Exchange Commission, and which fall under the CFTC, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Now, why does that matter? Because right now, crypto exists in a legal gray zone. Projects have been sued. Exchanges have been shut down. Investors have been left holding assets that nobody, not even regulators, could agree on. The uncertainty, that's been one of the single biggest barriers keeping real institutional money on the sidelines. And when those barriers fall, well, keep watching as we come on to fact number 2. My portfolio is pumping today. I'm smashing the market again. Let me show you how I've done this. Look at this, folks. This is my real money, my real trades. I started with $5,000. No options. No guessing, no gambling. I'm now at $728,000. Think about that. And crypto is no part of that whatsoever. That is all by trading the S&P and Coca-Cola by buying the bottom. I always buy the bottom, and I show you how I do it, and I teach how I do it every day on Electrum and on Discord. Okay, if you want to join me, there is the link. We only allow 1 or 2 people in a day. It's a very exclusive club just for real investors. And that's why I give it to you for a couple of bucks. I make money doing it. I don't sell my courses. Here we go. Fact number 2, XRP. Let's start with that. The legal clarity play. This is important. Fact number 2, XRP holders, pay close attention to this one. I'm in XRP, about $45,000. XRP could be the single biggest beneficiary of this vote. The single best beneficiary, not to Bitcoin, not Zebek, not Ethereum, but XRP. And here is why. XRP has a very specific documented history of reacting to legal clarity. We have numbers, statistics, facts. We understand it. In July 2023, Ripple won a landmark ruling against the SEC. We took part in that. You may remember we put a vote together and put it to the SEC. We weren't the only ones. There were much bigger, much more important people than us, but we played our part. The court said XRP in and of itself was not a security. The reaction, let's remind ourselves, XRP jumped between 75 and 78%. Think of that, almost overnight. Now imagine a whole act of Congress drawing that line permanently. Not a single court ruling, not a partial win, a law. That's what's on the table today. But hold that thought, because we're going to come back to what history tells us about how markets actually respond, and that's fact number 4 and 5. And it's not what's most important, and it's not what most people will expect. So stand by for what comes next. I told you this is going to be a big day. Sensei is about to go live with you for all the chart, the technicals, and the live vote. This is the ultimate trading positioning on XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum today. Can every single person tap the like button today? Share this out. I am not sponsored by anyone on X, Instagram, or YouTube, or anywhere. This is information I have gained directly from the banks, from Ripple, from Robinhood, the CEOs over the last 5 years, and that is why I'm always beating the market and I'm always winning, and you can do the same. All right? Stop losing. Stop listening to social media influencers. I'm the world piano man. I'm only here to help people. I've been investing since I was 17 with Barclays Bank. All right? A long, long time. So here is fact number 3. Well, wonderful. We got a super chat. Let me just hear this, and then I'll go to fact number 3. Here we go.
A Defense 89 tipped $2 Canadian through super chat. What was your XRP ETF already?
My XRP ETF, I think I sold it actually. Yes, I did. I did sell it. God, my portfolio is exploding today. No surprise there, really. I think I sold my XRP ETF. I think it was just called XRP. Yeah, I sold it, and I bought it in my Roth IRA for tax-free XRP investing. However, I prefer the coin. I prefer it on Robinhood so I can react to macro conditions over the weekends with Donald Trump doing all kinds of crazy stuff. So I do enjoy that. Look at the market pumping right now. Absolutely fantastic. The overall portfolio is going to go parabolic today. There we go. Look at this. Absolutely nuts. I 4x'd the market, by the way, this year. If you want to judge me, I 4x'd the market this year. All right. Here is fact number 3. Bitcoin, the institutional confidence catalyst. Let's talk Bitcoin just for a moment. Not as affected by this today as XRP was, as I've just shown you, but we'll come back to that in a minute. Fact number 3, Bitcoin. This bill isn't about courtroom drama. It's about something much, much bigger. Institutional confidence. When the rules are clear, when a fund manager, a bank, a custodian, an exchange knows exactly what they can and cannot do, the doors open. Compliance teams say yes. Risk committees say yes. And capital flows in. Right? But don't get too excited and don't get too carried away. Right now, there are trillions of dollars sitting in traditional finance, not because those investors don't believe in Bitcoin, but because the legal infrastructure isn't there yet. Clarity changes that equation. That happens today. We're covering it live. And we've already seen a preview of what that actually looks like. That's fact number 4. Tap the like button. Everyone share it. Look at my portfolio, absolutely exploding. Remember, I started with $5,000, no options, no shorts, no gambling, no guessing. This was achieved from $5,000 by talking directly to those banks, Ripple and Robinhood, the CEOs, of which we have 2 on the show next week, right? If you want to join us, there is the X account where I put my posts, Instagram where I go viral. There is our newsletter in the chat. Here it comes for you, which is a cheat sheet from today's event. We're giving you 40% off. Let me put it in the chat. If you want Discord, I'm giving it to everybody as I make money from doing this job. I don't need to sell it. There is Discord. It's a couple of bucks with one-on-one support with me. Always 3 o'clock in the morning, my trades, I'm there helping you. My mission is to help as many people as possible, not to be sponsored by anybody and not to sell videos. I just love going live and helping people. I'm addicted to it. I love it. Take advantage of it if you can get in. We only allow 2 people a day because of that. So here is fact number 4. As everyone tap the like button, don't be lazy. Here we go. The ETF pattern. What does this mean? We've got 15 minutes before Sensei goes live for the charts, the live vote. Get sharing, get busy. The ETF pattern. By the rumor, sell the news. You hear that all the time. Is that what's happening today? Fact number 4, and this one could save you money. I've learned this directly with speaking with the right people. This is why I want to bring this to you. This one could save you money. There is a reason why I beat the market nearly every day and I never lose. You don't need to. Possibly a lot of money. In my case, nearly $1 million, and I'm not going to lose it. I'm going to make more of it today. In January 2024, the SEC approved spot Bitcoin ETFs. This was historic. This was the moment the crypto world had waited years for. Thank you very much, Terry, for becoming a subscriber. Bitcoin's price, it briefly touched $49,000. Then it dropped over 20% in weeks. Why? Buy the rumor, sell the news. It's one of the oldest patterns in financial markets, and crypto is not immune to it. If you see the Clarity Act pass today and you immediately rush to buy, understand what you might be walking straight into. The market may have already priced this in. The first move could be a spike followed by a sell-off, but, and this is the critical moment, that's not the end of the story, because fact number 5 changes the picture completely. We are just minutes away now from Sensei going live with the live vote, the charts, everything that you need. So, once again, stop being lazy. Everyone, tap the like button. We should have 400 likes by now. Share this out. Click the share button. Also, consider subscribing if you'd like to join us. This is the most honest, real, non-sponsored channel. The only crypto channel in the world not sponsored by anyone. And I get offered 30, 40, 50 grand every single day. What makes it even better is it's not just that silver plaque, that 100,000, which is now going to 1 million. Something way more important that most crypto channels do not have. Is it the 13% of ladies that watch us compared to the 1%? That's nice. Yes, a lot more discerning investors watch our channel, including big whales, but that's not it. Is it the tick? Is it the verification tick given to us by YouTube, which means genuine and authentic? No, it's more than that. What it is community. We are live 12 hours a day, all day, every day, and you see me winning all the time. You see me interviewing CEOs all the time, talking to them and sharing my winning trades every single day. Non-sponsored. Here we go. Tap the like button. Let's go to fact number 5. This is it. Here it is. Fact number 5 for you. Long-term catalyst still wins. What do I mean by that? Fact number 5, the long game. Yes, Bitcoin dipped after the ETF approval, but do you know what Bitcoin did for the rest of 2024? Well, do you? We're giving away some memberships. If you've subscribed and liked and you are engaging in the chat, we are giving away memberships. I'm not giving away. One of our viewers, one of our ladies is buying you a membership. How kind is that? Our investors make money and they gift you stuff all the time. This is wonderful. It more than doubled. The ETF didn't fail as a catalyst. It worked, just not in the way impatient investors expected.
I can't believe
the legitimacy,
this.
Another new member. Thank you. It brought the institutional flows. It enabled the confidence. It created that took time to show up in the price. It took time. Real catalysts don't always print on day one. Sometimes they build. Sometimes the market needs time to absorb what just happened. Another new member. Thank you. Which brings us to Ethereum. We haven't yet spoke about Ethereum. Let's do that. And why the story there is a little bit different. Now, this one I know firsthand because I've spoken to the people that are building the exchange to build upon in Dallas. I've also spoken to Robinhood about their network is actually Ethereum. With another new member, there is Josh. Welcome to you. That's fact number 6 and fact number 7. Ethereum. Everyone, tap the like button. We're getting there. We're nearly 300 now. And also consider subscribing. Clarity Act around the corner. It's going to go live. My portfolio is parabolic. Started with 5 grand. Never lost. Only at the beginning, of course, when I tried to be too sexy rock and roll, go into things that don't make any money. We've just got a new member. Carlos has just joined the extra channel for the 24-hour support. Thank you so much indeed. Here are the links to X, Instagram, Discord, and I've given you the newsletter. Let me break down fact number 6. We're going to go deeper now into Ethereum. So what's all this about? Fact number 6, Ethereum, DeFi, and tokenization. Fact number 6, Ethereum. For Ethereum, the Clarity Act matters for a very specific reason. DeFi, decentralized finance, smart contracts, tokenized assets, and right now, anyone building on the Ethereum's infrastructure operates under a cloud of legal ambiguity. Are these contracts securities? Well, are they? Is yield farming regulated? Can tokenized real estate or tokenized stocks trade freely? If this bill provides workable frameworks for those questions, Ethereum's entire ecosystem benefits, not just the Ethereum token. We're talking about billions of dollars in protocols, applications, and financial products that are waiting for a green light. But here's where it gets interesting, because big news doesn't always mean big price. Big movements for Ethereum. And that's where fact number 7 comes in. All right. Portfolio's going straight up. I'm going to show you something now and give some credibility. This is very, very important. As we have a nice audience today, I'm going to ask the audience to fact check me. This is why we have the verification tick. This is why we are trusted and genuine and authentic as approved by YouTube with that tick. I fact check myself live on the show. So I'm going to ask all of my viewers. 98% of our live viewers are members. If you'd like to become a member, there is the membership link. If you want one today, consider upgrading your membership and you'll get a 27% discount by the fact you've won. So I'm going to ask my audience to fact check me live in front of you so they will say whatever they want to say. I can't control this. Are you ready? So, have I beaten the market for 3 years in a row? Say yes if that's true. All of my Discordians, Electrum members, please fill the chat now with yes or no. Have I beaten the market for 3 years? Have I beaten Buffett for 3 years? Have I beaten hedge funds for 3 years? Have I shared all of my trades for you on Electrum and Discord? Have all my trades been winning? If all these facts are true, put yes in the chat. Do I supply one-on-one support for everybody every day, every trading day in Discord? Do I do that? Do I share all my trades on my Electrum membership? Do I do that? Yes or no? Are we always here? Yes or no? So there you go. If one of those wasn't true, put no. We're here to always win. We always win. I always get it done. But now we're being fact by the whole world. 76 countries watch us, and you've just seen it live on the show. Right, let's get back to the portfolio overall position. Okay, fact number 7. See, what a gamble that was. Someone could have come in and said no, and Martyn's a scammer, Martyn's a liar, but nobody did. Here we go. Fact number 7. I'm very proud of that, but you know what? It's not easy. It's not hard. It's not hard to tell the truth. To be honest, I'm old. I'm 57. I'd forget if I made stuff up anyway. So it's just easier to be straight with people, and I don't care anyway. I just don't care about this money. I just like helping people. I just like to win. I don't even spend it, for God's sake. Very often we give it away. We gave away some XRP, $2,000 a few weeks ago. A few months ago. So any moment on the show, I'll just go, spin the wheel, and I'll just give money away. I just don't care. I just don't care. I just love being here, proud and so privileged that I can speak to the world every day. 76 countries. It's the best job in the world. I love it. I feel very privileged, very much loved. I love you all. And I just get up every morning, suited and booted, thinking, how can I help people today? What can I do to provide value? So thank you for being here. I love you all. And it's a big day. Many of you are going to lose money though. And I'm trying to help you not do that. So fact number 7. Ethereum's merge warning. Few minutes ago before Sensei goes live. Fact number 7, the merge. In September 2022, Ethereum completed one of the most ambitious upgrades in blockchain history. The merge, switching from proof of work to proof of stake. This was important. It was years in the making. The entire industry watched, and Ethereum barely moved. In fact, it fell around the event, which, if you remember, I predicted and told you that would happen. I knew it. I spoke to the people that actually moved the money. I shared it with you. One of my press room White House contacts basically texted me, and I shared it with you live on the show. I even gave her the exact penny at the exact second of what Tilray Brands would do. Do you remember? Oh my God, we've got a major event happening live in the show. One of our biggest supporters has just donated 50 memberships. 50 memberships. The crowd has gone nuts. The crowd has gone nuts. 50 memberships.
I can't believe
one of our big investor whales is in the chat. I'm not going to tell you who he is, but we've got a big investor whale in the chat giving away 50 memberships live right now on the show. 50. It's the biggest you can give away. Absolutely amazing. 50 memberships. If you are subscribing, if you are engaging, if you are liking, you could win a membership right now. That's our biggest ever giveaway. Is one of our whales is in the chat right now. Unbelievable. So what you want to do is you want to go to the membership page. Oh my gosh. Right. You can get all of my trades, all of my winning trades, 24/7, 7 days a week, 3 o'clock in the morning now for 27% discount because you've just been given the entry level on YouTube for free. Don't let it go to a waste. A whale, a crypto whale is in the chat buying you a membership. I've got some really good friends. They're trying to help you take advantage.
I can't believe this.
Look at all this. Do not lose this. Let me show you how this works. And a little top tip. We might have another big crypto whale joining us in a minute. Just saying. Just saying, the biggest people I talk to, Ripple, Robinhood, the banks, the CEOs, there might be another one joining us live in a minute. You won't want to miss it, all right? So let me tell you now how you can take advantage. We're going to go 8, 9, and 10 facts, and then back to Sensei. This is what you do. This is what you must do. Don't miss this opportunity, right? We got some big whales now in the channel. In the channel watching you right now. The biggest people in crypto. So watch here. Here's the homepage of the channel. All right? I've spent 40 years building relationships with people. This is part of being the world piano man, right? Look here on the homepage. It says membership. Go to the membership page. If you've just won one, which is basically everybody now has got a membership, right? Go here. You can see you've got a bronze membership. You just won one. It's been bought for you by a crypto whale live in the show. It's been given to you by somebody you wish you knew. All right? In the chat now. Go to the right, scroll to the right on a browser and upgrade it. Otherwise you will lose it. Upgrade it, and what I suggest you do if you really want to win is go Electrum, and you've just got the bronze for free. So it's only a couple of bucks. You'll get all of my trades 24/7, all the CEO interviews. You'll get to find out who these people are. You can talk live on the show. You can call in. You can send a message on YouTube, and I reply to all of my members. You get all of my trades 24/7, 7 days a week. Do that now. If you don't, why the hell are you even watching today? You don't know what you don't know. You don't know who's in the chat. And there'll be another one shortly as well. Just saying. Some of the biggest people watching right now. Okay? Trying to help you guys. Let's get into fact number 7. Let's carry on.
I can't believe
this is very good. So, I'm so excited. Ethereum has a track record of shrugging off its biggest moments. It always does, in fact, at least in the short term. So if you're holding Ethereum and hoping for a pop today, manage those expectations. The benefit to Ethereum from this bill may be structural, long-term, and deep, but not a headline spike. We're nearly there. Sensei is about to go live. Fact number 8, the Coinbase lesson. There is another member. We're giving away memberships like you wouldn't believe today. Coinbase lesson. Markets front run. We never get front run, ever. It's not what we do. All right, so here we go. Number 8, and this one is a masterclass in how markets actually work. Don't miss this one, folks. April 2021, Coinbase, the largest US crypto exchange, was about to go public on the NASDAQ. It was one of the most anticipated listings in tech history, a legitimacy moment for the entire industry. The day before Coinbase listed, Bitcoin hit a then record price of $62,741. I thought I'd be precise with you. The day before, not the day of, not the day after, traders had already front-run the event. By the time something becomes headline news, smart money has already moved. We're giving memberships away left, right, and center today. If the Clarity Act has been building in Congress for months, which it has, some of what you're seeing in crypto prices right now may have already been reflected and priced in. Okay, understand that. Which is why fact number 9, another new member. Why fact number 9 might be the most important one to understand before you make any move today. Here is fact number 9. Can everyone tap the like button? Everyone who gets engaged is winning memberships today. I now see people upgrading their memberships in the chat. I see people doing it.
I can't believe
You're now going to be able to speak to the CEOs, see the CEOs live on the show. We got 2 next week. You can send me a message on Discord, on YouTube. I will reply to it. Upgrade to Electrum if you want all of my trades. If you want one-on-one support with me directly, 1 hour a month, I give you it for $10 more. And my time is worth between $700 and $800 an hour. Another one. Fact number 9, the risks nobody is talking about. Here it comes. We've got minutes to go before Sensei goes live. Fact number 9, the risks. And I'm going to be straight with you here. I'm going to tell you straight how it is. I just don't care. I want you to win. I'm not here to make friends. I'm here to make you win. I'm here to win with my own money. And I do every day. So here we go. Because this channel doesn't do hype. That's why we refuse sponsorship. Nobody can sponsor. Whales come in and they give us memberships. That's what they do. So no hype, just honesty. This bill is not risk-free. There are still major debates inside the legalization itself, the legislation itself. First, anti-money laundering rules. How strict? How broad? Could they create compliance burdens that actually slow adoption? Second, stablecoin rewards. This is a big one. The banks hate this. I know. I speak to them. There's a genuine disagreement about whether stablecoin yield should be regulated like banking products. Third, DeFi oversight. How do you regulate protocols that have no central authority? The bill's answer to that question matters enormously. For Ethereum, fourth, regulatory power balance. The tug of war between the SEC, another new member, and CFTC over jurisdiction isn't fully resolved. It's not. And the wrong call, there could create more confusion, not less. A good bill that gets the details wrong could actually hurt crypto more than no bill at all. That's not fear, that's just financial reality. Know the risk before you act. So here it is. Fact number 10. My portfolio is now nearly 727. I started with 5 grand, no options, no shorts, no gambling, no guessing, picking up the phone, no emails, no texts, no tweets, speak to the CEOs, speak to the banks, Robinhood, Ripple, and here we are, another new member. Fact number 10. The verdict. And here we are. Fact number 10. The one I told you not to skip to. Catalyst verdict. Yes, potentially, but with precision. Understand this. XRP is the asset most likely to react fastest. Understand that. And strongest to legal clarity. It's been through the legal fire already. A congressional line in the sand is exactly what this token has been waiting for. Bitcoin benefits from most institutional adoption, and clearer rules open those institutional doors wider than they've ever been. I'm about to send you to Sensei for our live show. Stand by. The live vote, the charts, the technicals, everything, the cheat sheet, the newsletter, you name it. Here it is once again. You've got a few minutes to get it, so you're ahead of the game. 40% off. I'm basically giving it you. Sensei talks directly with Michael Burry, the most famous investor of all time, even more so than Warren Buffett. I've outperformed Warren Buffett for 3.5 years, so he's just done the right thing for the longest time. If I lived till I was 200, I'd be richer, twice as rich as Elon Musk. Simple as that. It's not about what you do, it's how long you do the right thing for. And it's simple as that. So there you go.
I can't believe this.
Another new member. So let's wrap this up. Ethereum does benefit, and this is the key word. If DeFi gets a workable framework out of this bill, the potential is enormous, but the details have to be right. But here's the truth that holds for all three. History says the first move can be volatile. Another new member, thank you. It might spike, it might dip, it might do both on the same day. Confirmation matters more than the hype itself. Fundamentals outlast headlines. The investors who win from this moment won't be the ones who reacted the fastest. They'll be the ones who understood what they were reacting to. So there you go. There's the 10 facts. We're about to send you now over to the live event, the live vote, and all the technicals. These were the 10 facts. I hope they helped you. Everything you need to understand today's vote on the Crypto Clarity Act, and what it actually means for XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. if this gave you some value, if you learned something, if it made you think differently, please do hit that like button. We want to be the first 1 billion channel. I believe we're going to do it because it takes 13 years to get there, and I'll sit here for 12 hours a day for 13 years until I've done it. We are going to do it. And not because it makes me famous or rich or money. I couldn't care less. I've already achieved that as the world piano man. I just want to go, wow, I did something really good. That's all I want to do. So hit the like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel. It makes a big difference. Reach the people who need this information. We want to be live to every country of the world. So subscribe if you haven't done so. If you all subscribe, we'll have a quick look in a minute, because when this vote lands, I'll be back with a live breakdown of exactly what the result means. Sensei will go live first. I will follow it, what the markets are doing and what the smart play looks like going forward. So leave a comment in this live event afterwards when it becomes a video. I will reply. Another new member. I will reply to every single one of my members. Which asset do you think reacts most? Put that in the comments. XRP, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. Please go onto my social media, X and Instagram. I've got some viral posts on Instagram today. There's the, I've given you the membership link. I've given you the Discord link. React. I will comment back to you personally. Another new member. No AI, no bots. Let me know. Let's build this conversation together. Let's keep growing this family together. So I'll see you on the next one. Sensei is about to go live. I will be there in the chat. I will be watching. I will be trading live. This is my real money, from $5,000 to nearly $1 million live on the show. I can't believe this. Member after member. Folks, it's time to send you to Sensei. So I'm now going to give you the links you need one final time. There is X. There is Instagram. There is the Discord. There is the membership link. If you want free shares from Robinhood, I'm not sponsored by them. There it is in the USA. If you're watching from the UK and you want free shares, here are the free shares from Robinhood UK. Again, I'm not sponsored by them. They've tried. I don't want the sponsorship. There are all the links you need. It's now time for me to send you over to Sensei. I hope you'll have a wonderful day. I'm very excited about it. Oh, there's a vote here. I need to give you the vote. I need to end the vote in the chat. 64% think it's going to be green. That is the poll inside. But here is the bigger poll that trends on Google. Let me give this to you. This is our community page. Here it is. There it is. I can't believe this. There is the poll. If you look here, there is the poll. Let me refresh the screen. This is the poll. How many people have voted? Red day, green day, or undecided for crypto? Let me refresh it. Has anybody voted on this yet? This will rank on Google. Here we go. 456 votes. I can't believe Another new member. Up. 70% of you think it's going up. Be very careful. You've got whales in the show today. You've got people helping you out, trying to guide you. Be careful. I've tried to share information to guide you. Be careful. It's very easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. Now it's time to send you to Sensei. Here is the event. I'm going to give it to you right now. He goes live in 13 minutes, it looks like. Sensei wants to go live in 13 minutes. Here is the event. I'm now going to pin this to the top. Live now. There you go. Pin that to the top. This is the event that will follow. I can't believe this. Because we've got a few minutes, I'll go to Q&A. Replace the pin. Okay. Replace the pin. Okay. Let's get ready. This is the event you're going to go to in a few seconds. Sensei will be live in 12 minutes, which means we have a few moments to ask questions. I can't believe this. All right, Sensei is going live on the hour. So We're now going to go to comments and questions. I'm not going to be members only because nearly everybody is now a member anyway. I'm going to answer everybody's questions and put you on the screen. Here we go. So TN, no, it's dumping from today, says TN. Bitcoin, but I hope XRP. Big dump coming, says Jay. People will want to be in before clarity, but not 100% in, says Defense 89. You're not staying live, good sir. Yes, I am. Sensei is going to carry on the show. I'm going to send you to Sensei. I'll be live afterwards for all the recap and all the updates. Yep. We're going to be live with you all day.
I can't believe
all right. We could be live like 12 hours a day. Okay. We've got Liz from Germany. We got more members being given away today. So let me just end that there a minute. Okay. Okay, I don't buy and sell crypto, says Liz. She's from Germany. She's not even in crypto at the moment. The General W, he's a smiling face. HP, will Bitcoin go above $80,000 today? I don't know. I don't know what it'll do today. If you're buying now, you're too late. Dino's stuff. Thank you for your thoughts. Leave your comments in the chat. I will share them on the screen and I will read them out. The XRP clarity vote is 11 minutes to go. We'll send you right there. We're still giving memberships away. You've still got time, folks. Everyone tap the like button. Let's get this to 500 likes before I go. We're at 441. Let's see how the subscribers are going, shall we? I'm just waiting for Sender to go live. We've got 9 minutes. Consider subscribing. Let's see how we've moved today on the subscriptions.
I can't believe this.
Let's have a quick look. Let's go live to it. Let's see if anyone subscribed today. I think it's probably been a good day. In 3, 2, 1... 113,649. Thank you so much indeed. We're on track. We'll be 114,000 today. This is a wonderful day. We're on track for 1 million by the end of next year. We're growing all the time and our rate of growth is increasing all the time. So thank you so much, everybody who is part of this. All right. Let me now go back to comments. I'm in crypto, says Liz. Oh, I am in crypto. I'm confused. I just talk about it today. Thank you, Liz. Been holding since 2017. Let's go clarity. So as I have 9 minutes left, let me tell you about something very important. I'm going to go to more comments. I decided, how is the best way when I'm off air to be able to help people one-on-one? And I looked at Discord. I looked at Discord because I can go live with you. I can do live stage events. And I looked at what the competition, but it's not competition, what everybody else was doing. And they were charging up to $1,000 a month to give trading indicators, all their live trades. And I realized most of them were using AI, bots, robots, and stuff like that. And they had hundreds of thousands of followers. And I thought, this isn't a community. This is noise and opportunity for them to make money. So, as the world piano man, I know about meeting real people. I wanted to do it differently. So I did it differently. I created a Discord server for a couple of bucks, just enough to keep the trolls and the bots out. Enough to pay the commission to Discord and pay the taxes, barely make me $1 just to cover the admin. And there's no discount. There's no increasing prices. There's no inflation. It'll always be that in 20 years from now, whenever I pass on the Discord server, it's there to help people one-on-one live. I just think it's great to get up in the morning at 3 o'clock in the morning, buy some crypto and tell my friends in 76 countries what I'm doing and help them because I've got the information directly from the sources and it works. So if you want to join my Discord, there is the Discord link in the chat for you now. When you join Discord, you'll be presented with an interview. We interview you. You don't choose our server because I'm giving it to you. All right? I could charge $1,000 and get it. I'm giving it to you with no price increase ever. Another new member. Thank you. So if you join Discord, I recommend you should go pro. It's a couple of bucks more than the couple of bucks. You get 24 hours a day access to me. You can friend request me. I will accept it. It's the only way in the world you can message me. You can't phone me, text me, email me, tweet me, any other way. This is the only way on earth you can message me. Another new member. This is incredible. And You can get all of my trades 24/7. We do 2-stage events every single trading day. We've got 7 minutes to go before I send you across, where I do one-on-one support. I share my trades with you. I talk to you live. There's no AI. There's no bots. Just me. And inside Discord,
Claridica has become a member.
another new member. I can't believe it. It's nuts, isn't it? And also inside Discord, you'll be able to get our training course. Sensei has a training course. You better get access to it. You can upgrade and get the training course. It's provided for free inside the newsletter. We could sell that as well, but we don't. If you are a newsletter reader and you've all got the link today, and you can also get a discount inside Discord, the best deal is always for the Discordians. There is the link, 40% off today. All right. You can get the newsletter with a free training course. Sensei does live trading shows, live chart shows.
Has become a member.
Another new member. Can't believe it. He gives you live trading shows, one-on-one support, the same thing. Nobody does this because we cannot have millions of people join. That's why it's interview only. We choose you. Right? So the people that give the right answers, a good reason to join, we allow you in. We then give you a little 8-minute video that is there to protect you, to warn you about scammers on Discord, to warn you about people who try to access you and tell you stuff. We do all of that for you. If you watch the video and you come through security and we think you're a good fit for our server, not sponsoring stuff, not promoting stuff, not telling us how great you are and you know everything about everything, because nobody does. No one knows everything. Nobody. If you're a good fit, we let you in, and we only let 1 or 2 in a day. Now, during Sensei's show, well, Sensei is live because it's a special event. I'm going to onboard everybody in Sensei's show that wants to join today because I'll be able to do it. I'll be able to onboard everyone because Sensei will be live. So while Sensei is live, he'll be showing you things. He'll be talking about the trade. He'll be talking about the newsletter. He'll be reading from that. He'll be also talking to you about the vote. The vote will be live. While all that's going on, you can access Discord live during that event, and I will be onboarding you live in that event. And if you choose Pro, you'll get a voice message from me, real life, not a pre-recorded. I'll be sitting here doing it. Right? I'll be saying, okay, you can send me a friend request. You can do it right now. I'll accept it right now. No bots, no AI, no scams, no wait around for 6 months. You don't know what happens. And I will, you can send me a friend request, accept it, and you have direct access with me. Thank you so much.
At Devonshire North, he tipped £1.99 through Super Chat.
All right. So if you could mention that. So I'm just going to call Sensei. He's about to go live in 4 minutes, and I'll tell him that right now. Okay. Massive day today. I'm going to get Sensei live. Sensei, how are you, mate? I'm live on the show. Just telling everybody about you. Obviously, I'm sure you're aware. You're probably watching the show. Oh, he's got a nice suit on. He's looking smart and tidy. He's a dad now. He's got all his suit on. Listen, folks, Sensei will be live in a second. Sensei, when you're talking about the vote today, the newsletter, all the great stuff, let everybody know during your show, I will be onboarding everybody live into Discord as well, where, of course, they can access you inside Discord at the same time. So just let everyone know I'll be onboarding everybody in there today. And Sensei, let me know as well if I'm literally, look folks, I'm literally doing this live. Here's Sensei, look, there he is in his suit, look, there he is, look, there he is. Hello everybody. Sensei, let me know anybody who gets a newsletter today, in my show, your show, doesn't matter, any show, let me know and I'll give them all 500 Luca coins for free. Okay, mate? Spot on. All right, mate, will do. Thank you very much. There you go. Sensei is doing a great job. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to give everybody who signs up today on my show or Sensei's show, we're going to onboard you all, and we're going to give you 500 Luca coins for free. What do you get with that? Well, now in Discord, we have our own currency. You can get these coins for free, and we're giving you things. You can buy things in our shop for free with the free coins. Good, right? Stock analysis, earnings reports, merchandise. We're soon going to add onto our services sponsors to sponsor me to give you stuff for free. I don't want it. I don't want the money. So if you're watching right now and you're a business and you would like to promote something, I don't want the money. I don't want the sponsorship. But if you want to benefit and promote your business and give our audience something for free, holidays, cars, whatever. I'm literally talking to people now about all these things. Gifts, Coca-Cola, I want them to give out crates of Coke. Beer companies give out crates of beers. You can use your Luca coins, which we give you for free, to buy these things for free. How cool is that? No one does this. Everyone takes sponsorship for themselves. Meet Kevin, sponsored all the time, buying another plane. He's got 2 planes now. I don't want it. I don't even have a car. I don't want it. I just want to help you. So everyone who joins Discord today, there is the chat. It's also below in the description of the video. Sensei will be promoting it as well. You get direct access with me, direct access with Sensei. You will get 500 coins if you get the newsletter today. Sensei will tell me. If you get the newsletter with my link, his link, I just don't care. Either show, we will give you 500 Luca coins. By the end of the day, once you've done it, Sensei will tell me, and we'll credit your account. There is the link to the newsletter. It's going to be a great day. Sensei is just a minute or so away. We're going to be with Sensei in just a moment, so please stand by for that. So there you go. You've got everything you need now.
$5 through Super Chat. Like and subscribe, people.
Thank you
for your hard work, Martyn.
My pleasure. Go out and make some money, folks. Make sure you keep it. It's easy to make money. Make sure you keep it. By the way, guys, before I finish, all these super chats are promoting the stream. They're going to get it to rank on YouTube. Thank you so much, because YouTube make a commission from this. Thank you.
At Devonshire North, he tipped £4.99 through Super Chat. This guy knows his stuff. This is the most honest channel on YouTube. Subscribe, people.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Guys, I'm just waiting for Sensei to go live. Any moment now is going to go live. So this is your last chance. Take advantage of this. I'm literally giving you my own money. I'm giving it away. All right. There is X. If you want to follow me on X, I've just given you the link. Everybody today, do it right now. I give you all the little bulletins every 15 minutes. No AI, no robots, just me. No team of editors, just me. I just work all day, every day. I'm addicted to it, all right? I'm mental. I just don't care. I probably am. There is my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I've gone viral on a few videos. We've covered so many things there. It's just wonderful. Thank you so much, everybody. I don't earn any money. I don't get sponsored by anybody. Hang on, what's this? Oh...
At Diesel_Ada tipped $1.99 through Super Chat. Martyn is the GOAT. Fafo.
Yeah, we had a few idiots when we got really successful on YouTube. We had people complaining and trying to, they were jealous, basically. I'm just going to cut to the bullshit. They were jealous. They didn't like the fact we were growing, because for years I made no money. I was working for free. Then we got successful. Then we got the tick from YouTube. Then we got the silver plaque. Then my portfolio went parabolic, and they didn't like it. They didn't like it. They got really funny with me. They started complaining, saying the channel was a scam and stuff like that. And they formed a hate group. So what did I do? I worked harder, and I bought out a hat, faff around and find out. So basically, we got investigated by YouTube, and of course, we were exemplary. They doubled down on our tick. We got fully cleared. Everything was great. And we brought out a FAFO range of merchandise, T-shirts, hats, mugs, and we sold loads of them. So I actually did it just to annoy them. I made money out of them being a troll. That really pissed them all off. And then I banned them all. And people said, you can't ban people for having an opinion. They weren't having an opinion. They were just horrible, horrible people. So we got rid of them. We threw them out. And we just keep growing, and that's what we do. We tell it how it is.
At YouTube, Kitchka99 tipped €2.49 through Super Chat. What do you think of Theta Network?
I don't know, honestly. Sensei is the best person on that subject. Sensei will be live in a second. He's the man. He will give you the best information on that. So I would certainly talk to Sensei in a few moments about that. All right, so we're about to go now. It's an incredible day. I can't believe how much money we've made. Let me just show you this, by the way. just in case there's still anybody that's got any doubt of, oh, look at that. Look at crypto. A big dump there. So just what we were warning. Is it a surprise? Not really. Let me show you the S&P 500. The S&P 500 year to date is done 8.64. It's an average year. It's nothing great. The S&P, with all what's going on, has done 8.64. So what have I done? With no options, no shorts, and no crypto. Just by buying the same asset, the S&P and Coca-Cola. People say you can't get rich doing that. Rubbish. Let me show you. It's not about selling the top. It's about buying the bottom with confidence and conviction. And I do it all the time. Look at that number, 8.6. Year to date, look, year to date, the S&P. Look at my performance on stocks and shares year to date. 27%. That's a 4x on the market, 4x on Buffett, 4x on Berkshire, 4x on hedge funds. No options, no shorts, no guessing, no gambling, buying with conviction. That is what it's all about. And that's what we teach every day in Discord. One-on-one. So what we're going to do now is Sensei is just about, please go, Sensei's about to message me, is about to go live. So I'm literally now wrapping up the last minute. So here's your last chance. There is my X in the chat, also below in the description. There is my Instagram, also below in the description. If you want to follow me as the World Piano Man, just a side note, there's my music channel. It's on the homepage of this channel. You can follow my music channel and you can see me doing live concerts. I've got videos with Sir Paul McCartney, Elton John, all sorts. Go and check that out. All right, this little side note. If you like music, there it is. Here is Discord. Everyone who joins today and gets a newsletter gets 500 coins to spend on all the gifts, and more things are being added all the time. If you're watching now and you're a business, you can't email me, you can't phone me, you can't text me, you can chat in here. But what you can do is become a Discordian for a couple of bucks, message me and say, hey, I'd love to sponsor your channel. Let me donate this. I'll promote the hell out of you. You'll get loads of business, loads of stuff. As long as my audience benefit and I can give them stuff, we're on. That's all you got to do. Pretty good, right? So there's Discord. There's the membership link. And we're now going to send you over to Sensei. I hope you've all enjoyed this. It's been really fun. I'm excited, right? There was one. Oh, that was what I was going to tell you. I couldn't remember. I knew there was something before I clicked the end button I wanted to give to you. I've got 1 minute. Sensei's about to go live. You're not going to miss anything. Sensei isn't live yet. Look at this. This is where you are right now on the investor channel. I don't know if you know this, but we have a network now. We have a whole network. If you want 24-hour support and watch what you missed this morning, we have it for you. It's called the Extra Channel. It's free to watch, free to listen to, all right? Now, because it's 24 hours a day, I can't watch it 24 hours a day. We have a paywall to be able to chat of 99 cents. Let me drop the Extra Channel in. Everybody live right now, become a member of Extra. Bloomberg, they play for you the same video over and over again every night. I can't believe they get away with it. What we do is we restream the day's events because we go out in different countries around the world. They want to watch what they just missed, but with a live chat. It tells you on the screen it's live chat. We're not trying to manipulate you. If you watch it, look, it says on the screen, restream today's show. The chat is live, 24-hour support. This is what you've just missed. You can watch it. Everyone, take a moment to join the Extra Channel. All right? It's free to watch, free to listen. And if you do join it, you can watch for free. If you pay 99 cents, you can talk to investors while watching what you've just missed. So it's live a few minutes ago. With real investors, 99 cents. That's one thing. There is also the Clips channel. The Clips channel is no ads, no memberships, where I post clips of the shows. Look, little moments with text on the screen, all the bulletins. Some people only have 15, 20 seconds to know what's going on throughout the day. So I give you clips. No ads, no memberships, for free. I make no money from it, for free. Everyone today, click on the playlist and go and watch the playlist as I add it. There's the playlist, the Clips playlist. Go and join Clips. You won't even see an ad. I do it for free. I just want to help you, right? Get the information. There is the Clips channel. Okay. And finally, if you want the music channel, it's also on the homepage. There is the music channel. All right. So that is it. That is it. I'm going to ask Sensei, are you ready? Sensei, how long? How long? All right. I'm just asking Sensei how long before I can send you over. He's literally, I would imagine, 1 minute. All right. All right. All right. We're going to go. So here we go. It's now time for the big event. Are you all excited? Bring on Sensei. Everyone's excited. Right. Have you all tapped the like button? Yes, we did it. 500 likes. We did it. Have you all clicked subscribe? Have you all done that as well? Fantastic. Here we go. Have you all tapped? Have you all followed me on X and Instagram? I hope so. Have you all got Discord? Because during this show today, when Sensei's on, I'm going to onboard you. If you go for pro, no price increase ever. It's only a couple of bucks. No inflation ever. Send me a friend request. I'll accept it live right now. I will onboard you now. I'll send you a video. Takes 8 minutes to watch. You answer the questions. You get in. You have 10 minutes then to choose your membership. Otherwise, we kick you out because we have a list. But during Sensei's live show, I will onboard everybody that wants it. You then can talk to Sensei live in an onstage event. Talk to me live on an onstage event today. We do 2 a day. Share all my trades. Ask me questions. It's not recorded. It's private. Direct access 24/7. You will have everything. And everybody gets 500 coins who gets the newsletter. Right. Sensei is now going live. There he is. His countdown is on. So let me give everybody the link right now. Send you there live. And I will see you there. I'll be watching. I'll be in Discord onboarding everybody that decided to join us today for a couple of bucks. And it will never, ever go up in price. Here we go. So there you go. There is the Clarity app breakdown, the ultimate guide. There it is. Click on the link. It'll take you there automatically. Guys, I love you all. I will see you live on Sensei's show. I will see you live inside Discord. I will onboard everybody today. Have a wonderful day. Remember, it's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. And my job is just to tell you how it is. I'm not here to make friends. If you find me arrogant and a big head, I don't care. After a while, you'll realize I'm not arrogant. I'm not a big head. I'm just committed and passionate and get it done for my members. And I won't be bought. No one can buy me. And I tell you how it is, because telling it how it is makes you useful. My aim in life is to be useful. And after a while, you'll realize, oh, he's not an arrogant dick. He's not a big head. He's actually just trying to help me. And I quite like him. And that is how I became the world piano man. I care about you. I care about my audience. I love you all. I wish you the best. I haven't got any time to sugarcoat it, mess around. And because I was bullied a lot when I was a kid at school, I feel it's my job now to fight back and expose idiots, call them out for what they are, expose the scammers that are sponsored, and just tell you how it is, because I genuinely want to help you. That's it from me. Go and join Sensei on his live event. He's seconds away. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you back on Discord. I'll be live all day upgrading and onboarding you. Love you all. Be good. Be safe. Be happy. Go and make some money. It's easy. Bye-bye.